The true measure of love is to love without measure. At ang ganong klaseng pag-ibig, Wesley at Marigel, ang siyang dapat ninyong laging ipaalaala sa amin sa pamagitan ng inyong tapat at hindi masusukat na pag-ibig.
Simulang binigay ni God sa akin si Jelly, wala na ako hiniling iba. Kumbaga in return kay God, bilang panggante, iingatan ko, mamahalin ko, gagabayan ko, protektahan ko.
Since the moment you came into my life, you have been a source of my love and joy. Your sense of humor makes me fall in love with you every day. Wala akong ibang pwedeng mapagkatiwalaan ng katulad ng tiwala ko sa'yo.
Wesley Philip, do you take Marigel here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Tandaan ninyo, walang perfect match, pero merong perfect marriage. At yon ang kasal na kailanman hindi nakakalimot kay Jesus. Yon ang marriage na kumpleto dahil kinukumpleto ng pag-ibig ni Jesus.
Thank you. Always take care of yourself. Lagi kita protektahan. No matter what happened, nandyan ako para sa'yo.
You are the love of my life, Wesley. And I promise to let you know that every day. I love you.